So I want to show you how you can get 4 days a week of live affiliate marketing coaching absolutely free. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the link in my description. It's leadsareflowing.com, leadsareflowing.com, and it's going to bring up a page that looks just like this. Enter in your details, and you're going to come to a page that looks just like this. Okay, you want to come down here to hit Get Started Free. You're going to click on that button, and right here you can see Start your 7-day free trial. Let me just circle that so you can see it. Start your 7-day free trial. Okay, and you just fill in that form, click Continue, and once you do that, you're going to get access to a dashboard that looks like this. Exactly like this. This is the Power Lead System back office. Now, before I go any further, I just want to share a few things about Power Lead System. Power Lead System has been in operation for over 12 years. For over 12 years. I've been a member personally for over 10 years. It has always paid me on time, every time, without fail, which you can't say the majority of programs that you find online. Like it doesn't happen. Many of them fizzle out within months, if not a year. But this one's still standing, and they're reinventing themselves. They're adding more and more value. They're making it more and more simple so you can come in and start making significant income much faster and much easier than it's ever been. But what I want to do in this one is I want to share where you can get the free training. So in your dashboard here, you're going to have a video with the CEO, Neil. He's going to introduce you to the dashboard and kind of give you some steps. You can go through these steps. Highly encourage you to do that. But I talked about free training. So what you're going to do is go right here to events, click on events, and now you can see the calendar and you can click. So let me just click on one of these, and you can just click right here to attend when that time comes, and you'll be able to attend that training live. So this is affiliate marketing training teaching you strategies that are working now to grow any business you choose. See, the beautiful thing about Power Lead System is Power Lead System is not just about Power Lead System. For many members, Power Lead System is a tool that they utilize to grow anything they want to promote. In fact, the top earner in Power Lead System, he created funnels. And one of the cool things about when you come in with this $7 free trial, when you have the option of keeping it, if you want to keep it or you don't, it's your choice. You could have what's called a sharing code, and you create your own custom funnels, or you could, if someone has a sharing code, you can grab that sharing code and instantly you have that same exact funnel. So one of the things that the top earners in this company do is they create funnels for their primary, they create systems, okay, for their primary business. They might have a different business, a different offer than Power Lead System, but they create this system where people who want to be in that primary business, they want the system because they want that system for themselves to help them grow their primary business. So this works really well for that. And I've been marketing online for over 13 years. I've seen a lot of different page builders. There are better looking ones, newer ones, and all that. But I really haven't come across any that have such a simple sharing code process like this one, where you can just have a code that you give your teammates and they have the exact same funnel you have, the exact same pages, the exact same process, emails, everything. It's all put together, and again, you don't even have to do this. Maybe you know a top marketer that has a sharing code. You just plug that in. So that's really one of the unique features of this program. But really what I want to do is just show you how you can get some free training. If it can help, great. It's free. You didn't pay anything. If you get value and you decide you want to start earning some additional income, then you could upgrade into, or you can keep your membership, the gold membership, and that's going to pay you every time you refer to someone by doing what's taught in the training. you'll be able to earn $20 residual commissions. You'll be able to earn $10 matching bonus on that. Also, there are other options as well. There's other products, as you can see, within Power Lead System, and these all pay different commission levels. So we do have what's called the PLS all in bundle. These are for the people that are the heavy hitters. These are people that want to go all in, go all out. They don't want to waste time. They want to get paid and they want to get paid well. They don't want to dip their toe in the water. They don't want to make little teeny tiny commissions. They want to make the bigger commissions. They understand the value of investing in themselves and being positioned to make the most money because they understand by doing the exact same thing as they would if they were getting the smaller amount, they can get paid much more by being positioned to make much more without doing anything different. That's the beauty of it. But the other products, we have Free Ad Secrets. That one pays $100 commissions. We have the brand new product, AI Automation Academy. This one's, people are very excited about this one because they're teaching them how to use AI effectively for marketing, to stand out from the crowd, do things that the majority of people out there don't know how to do. This is really a powerful product. It's live. They do it live once a month. You learn a concept. So one of the concepts, for example, was making music within minutes using AI. We're talking a full-on song, album, that you can monetize even using AI. And then, so what happens is you teach the concept live, you break up into groups afterwards, and then you go apply the concept. So you work on, for this example, making a song. You make your song, you come back, you share it with the rest of the group. And it's really a unique thing because the majority of trainings out there are live, but you're on your own. There is no collaboration going on. So this is really going to help you not only learn something, but be able to apply it. So you're really going to have comprehension. That's the missing ingredient in most trainings. So anyway, that one pays you $35 residual commissions, and that goes to unlimited depth. So that means someone you have no idea who that person is going to be paying you $35 residual commissions. So that's really cool. We have Home Business Pro. This one pays $400 commissions. This one's a fantastic product because one of the skills. Now, if you're serious about building a business that is going to pay you like a business, then one of the skills you're going to want to learn is copywriting. And when you go out into the marketplace and you try to find good copywriting courses and products, there, there's not many. Like they don't really exist. Like believe me, I've looked. But within this course, you have a seven-figure earner, copywriter, who teaches you over, I believe it's a 10-week period, how to effectively write email copy. And if you can effectively write email copy, you can pretty much print money on demand, no matter what you're doing. So this is a super, super valuable product, valuable course. And it wasn't free. The owner, Neil, he had to pay a pretty penny to get this guy to come out and do this training for the community. So that's all bundled up in here. Um, in my opinion, um, copywriting is probably one of the most important things that you can ever learn in business because it affects how you speak. It affects your emails, your social media posts. I mean, it affects everything you do. It's in everything you do. So this is really a strong course. If you want to learn those skills, if you don't, then you can always just earn the $400 commission. You got Master Traffic Institute, and this one pays you $1,000 commission. So as you can see, by using this, and this is just one example of the different capture pages and systems you can use, but using a simple capture page, you get eyeballs to your system goes to work, follows up for you, and people can come in and get started. And in this case, you can start for free, check it all out, get that free training, and get on your way. So with that, go to leadsareflowing.com. Link is in my description. To get started, you're going to see this page. We're just going to go to this page, click on the big yellow button, get started free, and go attend the live training. It's free. Test out the system, get your funnel, get some eyeballs on it. Maybe you'll make some commissions. With that, make it a great day, and I'll see you next time.